In order for this to work, you just need a smartphone device and a connection to the internet. This can be done by anyone from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is come over to the platforms I will show you in this video, sign up for absolutely free, start installing apps, and collect your earnings. Okay, so we got a lot of platforms to cover today, guys, and as I said before, they will all pay you through just installing apps. I have a couple that also pay you for playing games as well, and although the sites I will show you also have other options in order to make money online for free, getting paid for installing and playing games is precisely what we will be focusing on. So without further ado, let's get to the first app. The app in question is called App Karma, and I'm now over at their official website, appkarma.io. Now, the very first thing worth noting about App Karma is that it's available for both iOS and Android, and I will show you the app on Google Play in just a second. With that being said, App Karma, as you can see to the right here, will pay you for installing different apps, and when you install them, you will earn points. How many points you earn depends on which app you install. Some pay more and some pay less, but in any case, those points you can then exchange for money. As far as how you'll be getting paid, they offer PayPal, but also top-branded gift cards like Amazon, for example. I didn't see any other payment options apart from these, so if you happen to live somewhere where PayPal isn't available, then stay tuned as I have more apps to show you that also offer far more payment options. Now, something of note that I think is a really cool feature, albeit isn't game-changing, is that they'll pay you 300 points for just installing the app. As I said, nothing too special, but it is a nice feature that I thought would be worth mentioning. Something else that is far more important, however, is that they offer a referral system, as you can see. Now, as I said in this video, we are focusing on getting paid by installing apps, but App Karma actually offers a very good referral system, which is why I'm mentioning it. As you can see, they'll pay you 30% of what your referrals earn. These are some of the highest commissions I've seen for make money apps like this, and this is why it's not a bad idea to try and refer a couple of people to here. Anyhow, something I really wanted to show you guys about App Karma are its reviews, since there are so many apps like this that aren't legit. But if you come over to the Google Play Store, you will see that, simply put, that is not the case with App Karma. It has a 4-star rating on Google Play, but more importantly, it has over 300,000 reviews. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that the vast majority of people rated it at 5 stars, and you can also read out some of the reviews if you so wish. But in any case, the point is that due to the sheer number of reviews on Google Play here, it's basically impossible that this isn't a legit app. So I would highly recommend you guys all try it out. With that said, let's now move to the second platform for today. This one is called GetPaid2.com. Now, for those of you who don't have PayPal available, you will love this platform. But before I go ahead and show you that, let me first off go over what you can do in order to get paid in the first place. As you can see, you can complete surveys, play games, which is precisely what we want, and lastly, you can complete online offers. Now, out of all of these, playing and installing games is arguably the best and easiest one, and also the most fun one too. Down here, you'll be able to see how this works. You'll obviously first play and install the apps. You will then collect your points, and by the way, they'll also tell you how many points equals how many dollars. So 5,000 points is $1. Anyhow, once you accumulate a few thousand points, you can exchange them for money to get paid. And speaking of, let me cover that now since I did mention it a while back. If you come near the very bottom of the page, you will see that this platform, unlike the previous one, offers far more payment options. You can get paid through bank transfer, Skrill, any cryptocurrencies you want, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. They offer Amazon gift cards, and they of course also offer PayPal. All in all, they do offer many different ways for you to get paid, and that's a really great feature of this platform. Now, to get started making money playing games, what you need to do is come back up, and then you want to click on Join Free Today right here. On the next page, just enter in your username, password, your email address, your full name, date of birth, your country, and by the way, take a look at this, guys. This site works in all of these different countries. It's safe to say it's nearly worldwide available. In any case, to finish the registration process, just enter in your city and zip code, tick this box to agree to their terms, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Complete Registration down below. The next platform I have for you today is this one called ysense.com. This site, just like that previous one, has loads of ways for you to make money online, as you can see right here. Get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. So, as you can see, you can get paid by downloading different apps, which in the end is what we are going for. Now, another way you can get paid with this platform is by referring people, and this site has great commissions for referrals, just like that first platform. As you can see, you get paid 30% commissions, which, as I said before, is far higher than most similar apps offer. Regardless, though, in order to get started on making money with this platform, what you need to do is enter in your email and password here and click on Join Now. Now, this platform here, guys, is my favorite, and it's called PrizeRebel.com. Something I really love about this app that I feel is worth mentioning is that it pays instantly, so you don't have to wait around to get paid, and they will pay in many different ways as well. They offer PayPal, obviously, as we can see, but apart from that, they have Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay as well, which is really cool. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see that some members of this site actually got some big rewards as well. This person got a TV, for example. Now, obviously, you most likely won't receive such rewards, but it's worth noting that there's still a chance to do so, which is a nice addition to this site. To get started on making money with this, just come back up, and you can now either sign up through Facebook or just enter in all of your details here and click on Start Making Money to create your brand new account. The last platform I will be going over today, which is also the bonus platform for those of you who've stayed up until now, is called plugco.in. Now, right off the bat, I want to tell you that this site will not pay you by downloading games, so let's make that clear right away. But I would nevertheless recommend trying it out because, as you can see, people are making a lot of money with it. This person made $200 alone. The way this works is that you will get paid by promoting apps, so not installing them. And whenever someone installs the app through your link, you will get paid, as simple as that. It's a really good idea to combine this app with the others to get paid passively, because all you basically have to do is promote an app on your social media and your work from there is done. Now, how much you'll get paid does depend a lot on your social media following, but even if you don't have that many followers, it's still worth a try to use this app in order to get paid. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.